So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem your AirAsia points. Now starting off, you can get your AirAsia points and earn them by just following through with some promotions with certain features of AirAsia, so you can see how much it could cost. But once you've gotten enough points, you can then go to certain flights. So in this case, you can open some sort of flight on there, and you can see if it's available to you within a certain price range. So you click on that. From that point, you will be redirected to checkout. So once you go through guest details, you can click on add-ons, and with the third option, you can choose to review and pay, and on that point you can slide different points from left to right to add how many you can get on there. So once that's complete, you can redeem those points within AirAsia. So that's the main way you can spend it, but you can also spend it for hotels, airport transfers, events, and some other stuff that's also available to you within AirAsia. And you can use those points to help you out with not spending that much money if you already have those points. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on AirAsia or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.